What's up everybody, Dennis. We're back with another Gats and Freedom cooking video. So I recently purchased a flat top cast iron grill. And we're gonna make some smash burgers, but we're doing it my way. So this is about 1.5 pounds of the wild boar that I harvested myself. Mr. Bill and I processed it. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna mix it with a little less than 1/2 pound of ground beef chuck. Give it a little fat, a little more fat, a little bit more texture, a little bit more flavor as we're making the burgers. I like to throw in a little breadcrumbs. I like cheddar, so I'm going with extra sharp cheddar. My son, he likes pepper jack. Going along with some Nathan's crinkle cut fries. So we got a yellow onion. I'm gonna dice these up and we're gonna saute them on a flat top as well. We're gonna use a Japanese BBQ. Alright, so what we have here, this is fresh garlic. I buy a huge bag of garlic cloves at Sam's Club. I have a little grinder. I grind them up and then I put them in the freezer so that way they do not go bad. And I take them out as needed. So we're going to take a huge chunk of garlic, throw that in there with the onions, and we use Kinders Japanese BBQ. It has soy, ginger, and garlic mixed into it. So we're just gonna cover the onions with this. Now when I put this on the flat top, I'm gonna use a little bit of butter. Alright, so for buns, I found these a while ago. They're King's Hawaiian buns. They taste just like the regular buns, but these are hamburger pretzel rolls. These are incredible. So we're just going to take the regular meat, beef, throw it in there, we're going to mix it together. Need one of those aroma scent cameras. We're just going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs in here, not a lot, just that's about it. Can you smell that? Makes you want to eat it just like this. I'm just going to break everything up, mix that beef in with the wild hog, and we'll be back. Got it all mixed up, nice. So just a little bit of breadcrumbs, and it's holding together really nice. So now we're going to make meatballs so that we can smash them on the grill. There you have it. I made 6 meatballs that turn into smash burgers. I don't know what happened with my lighting, but it just dimmed out on me. So we got the grill nice and hot. We're gonna get our onions going. We'll take our wax paper and we'll press these burgers down. Now, I don't want my burgers very thin. We're just going to keep flipping our onions. Try to keep these on here until they get soft. Look at that. Those are pretty good smash burgers. I'm going to cover it up, let the cheese melt. So here you have it. It's my first attempt at smash burgers. The Gatson Freedom Outdoors way. My way. Wild boar. A little bit of ground beef. Got some sauteed onions with Japanese barbecue sauce and fresh garlic. There you have it. Wild boar smash burgers, sauteed onions and Japanese barbecue sauce with cheddar cheese on a pretzel bun. And then we'll go basic with some crinkle cut Nathan's French fries. Gotta have Nathan's fries. Burgers and fries. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave you here because they smell unbelievable. And I think I did a good job for my first time with smash burgers on a flat top. About 1.5 pounds of wild boar, You know, the wild boar we processed has got Boston butt in it to give it some more texture, some more fat. Plus I put in a little less than a half a pound of ground beef, ground chuck. Give it more texture, more flavor. But the seasonings we put in when we're processing it is garlic and herbs. So I wanted to get this video to you. Mr. Bill's got a bunch of cooking videos coming up. I am going in for shoulder surgery May 22nd, so which is in 4 days. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go enjoy those burgers and fries. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it is free. Turn your notifications on. Make sure to turn your notifications on in your phone, because a lot of people are not getting notified when the videos get put up or lives happen because your notification on your phone for YouTube is not on. So check your phones. Please leave a comment below. Smash burgers, first time on the Flattop. So they look delicious, they smell delicious. Alright, so just a little tip. Like I said, I'm gonna have surgery. Mr. Bill is in the middle of making videos and editing videos for you guys now. He's going to be doing a lot of shorts on our amendments and the Constitution. Once I heal up, we are going to get back to 1 to 2 lives every week, but they are going to be viewers' choice. So we'll do a short video before we're going to start our lives, and you have to leave a comment and let us know what you want us to go live about. What is the topic that you want us to discuss, talk about, research? You let us know and we're going to do it. Alright guys, we appreciate each and every one of yous.